Hey there guys, this is Victor, and welcome back to Victor Vector's Garage. For those of you that are returning subscribers, appreciate you guys. For all of you that are new, welcome to the channel. For those of you returning though, you might know that I've gone by VictorVectorJKU. Recently, just purchased a new vehicle, and I'm looking to open up and cover a little bit more in the way of installs, DIY, and fab work that I'm doing on my projects. So, wanted to increase the application of this channel, so we're not just going to be just doing Jeep Wranglers, the JKU body specifically. We're also going to be looking into this new vehicle, and I do have a third vehicle, which you maybe have seen in some other videos, hidden under the car cover behind Project Vector. We're not going to get into that one today, but that'll come in the future hopefully. But what can you expect from the channel? So we're going to keep doing DIY fab. We're going to be doing review videos. We're going to keep on going with the same pace that we've been going with. I might start mixing in some more off-roading videos. We'll see. Not sure about that one just yet. But since I have this new vehicle, I want to be able to encompass that into the channel a little bit better. So let's go ahead, take a quick walk outside, and see what we got. Alrighty guys, this is my brand new 2025 Ford F250 3/4 ton pickup that's going to be hauling Project Vector to all my future wheeling events. Still got to pick up a trailer, but that's not the point of today's video. So I got a bunch of things I got planned kind of around this project. It's going to keep it pretty light. Really my intention here is for protection, interior and exterior. So I got a few different projects lined up, and I want to be able to share those with you guys. So if you guys are looking at buying a new vehicle, a new tow rig, pickup, or anything else, you know what the products I'm installing. You can get my first-hand review of said products. If I like them, I don't like them, things I might change, go a different route, and so on. So want to incorporate the Ford into that. So it's what we're going to be growing the channel. And again, like I said, I got that rig underneath that car cover. Give you a hint, a little bit of American muscle. Maybe someday we'll be privileged enough to share that on this channel. But yeah, so I'm excited to be bringing you guys some new content. I got a few things lined up. I already got a bunch of stuff arrived in boxes in the garage waiting for me to unbox them and get them set up on the rig. So should be coming out with those fairly soon. But we're going to keep on cruising along here with everything like we have been on Project Vector, on the truck. But we just had to take a little bit of downtime because work got a little crazy, switched into a new position at the start of this year. So working on getting a better work-life balance set up, and I'm excited to get back into making some YouTube videos and sharing with you guys. So welcome to Victor Vector's Garage. We are taking on these bills of both direction and magnitude. Alright guys, thanks for joining in. Excited to see you in the next one. Take care.